What's up, it's Brightside Developer, and in this short video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up dark mode in the ultimate way where everything works exactly how you'd love it. Check this out. So if I click light dark, it changes, right? If I have system on, it changes. In fact, it changes faster than Windows can change. Now, isn't that pretty sweet? And then I could do light and dark, and then this won't make a difference. Light, dark, and I can go back to system. We want to stay on that dark mode. And check this out. If I have multiple tabs, right, it's already dark. If I switch it to light when I come back, boom. Doesn't matter what tab I'm on. They're both switching. System. It's that easy. So with that being said, show reel. Hit it! Alright guys, let's get right into it. So I'm assuming you watched my last video about the ultimate stack, because in this video I have a repo for you already that's using Tanstack. It's kind of just set up. It's got the basis of that. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure you watch that video because this is the best stack of all time. But now we're focusing extra on dark mode, because the way I implemented it in there was quick because I was trying to hit all sorts of stuff. But now what we're going to be implementing is dark mode. So in here, you can go ahead and fork this repository. And then I have 3 branches right now, and this project is going to keep on evolving. It's the same stack, just with all the parts of an app that you're going to need. So right here we have dark mode completed and dark mode starter, so you can look at the branches and see what was done on these branches. But you're also going to check it out in this video. Okay, so now I have the project running, and I'm just going to show you. I'm on the main branch. This is like before doing the next part. And you can see here, I'm just running the app with Tanstack Router. And then I have my routes. And this is the root. And so the root, right here, I have a link right here. And an outlet that has my page. And my page says home. So you're looking at it. So that's the app. And this is what I did as a complete dark mode setup. So what's new here is a utils called darkmode.ts. There's now buttons on the home page as well. And then in the root, before anything loads, we run initialize theme and 2 event listener functions. So this is what the app does, and I think I showed in the intro. As you can see, it works just like this. You can have multiple tabs. It doesn't matter. You couldn't even tell I switched tabs because the theme's so good. So it's just like that. Now, what I want to show is a few different things about JavaScript and how the browser, and just a way of doing this so it's super clean and just works very easily. It's pure works everywhere. And here are the concepts. So the first concept right here is match media prefers color scheme dark. So this is matching the media from the inside the browser that's reading from what the color scheme prefers. So if it has this, then it will have dot matches true. So basically this is a function that returns true if the user prefers dark mode, because it is matching this media and then it has dot matches, which is a Boolean. So there's the preference of the system that they're on. Next, we have get local theme. So what this does is it goes into local storage of the device and looks for the theme. And it can be dark, light, or null. So null would make me want to put it on system, while light or dark would be specifically set. Then we have the function set theme. So these are 2 utility functions right here. Now we have the function set theme. So this takes in their option, which can either be dark, light, or null. Null going back to system. So if they don't have a choice, then we're going to remove the theme from there because we don't need it. Otherwise, we're going to set the theme to be the choice that they put in here. Just like that. Then if they don't have a choice, once again, so we want to check if their system prefers dark mode, because if their system prefers dark mode, then we're going to change this choice to dark So that way we know what class to put on the HTML. And then what we do is we grab the HTML class list. So document element, which is just the HTML on the class list. We want to toggle the class dark based off if their choice is dark. So if they pass dark in, or if they prefer dark but passed null in, it will do everything correct. Just like that. It'll set the theme, and then you're done. Now, and then let's say if you have more different types of themes than just dark and light, then you'll need to write something slightly more robust here. But you get the idea. You need to get the right class name on the HTML at this point. However, so then I made a function, just initialize theme, which sets the theme to get local theme. And remember, if there is no local theme, it will fall back. So this will initialize the theme, make sure it's on there. And then we add the storage event listener and the match media event listener. So match media has an event listener. So you just on change will initialize theme again. Because after it's been changed, when you run initialize theme, it will reset it. It'll go get whatever it is. So these two both all call initialize theme, just like that. And so we call initialize theme on load. We set up listeners for it, and this is all done, just like that. And you just run it in the beginning, and then you're done. And now you basically have dark mode. And if in the Tailwind config you put dark mode class, then you have access to stuff like this, where I did here. If it's dark mode, translate X4. If it's dark mode, translate X0. Otherwise, translate X4. So that's how I got this going. So I don't need any JavaScript. It's not required. This is CSS. It needs to be performed. It's just color. It's dark mode. Like, why would we need a JavaScript for? So we make it real easy. Everything's done. And then now you can just go to sleep with that issue. And just like that, that's all there is to dark mode. I mean, you could actually expand on this and add all sorts of different features that happen with all these new events you may be learning. Media event listener. It's very awesome stuff. So keep your mind open to an abundance of awesome JavaScript tutorials coming from Brightside Developer. And don't forget to hit that like and comment what you want to see next. I'm going to be talking about Tanstack. I'm going to be talking about Tailwind V4 is coming out. React's coming out. It's just everything's getting so easy with the stack. It's just like unbelievable how amazing the experience is. So if you want to keep having a great experience as a developer, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Don't give up.